Girl, change your focus. Hey, welcome to Brow Tab, Pay Your Tab. See what I did there? This is for beauty artists who want to build your businesses, make more money, and be the go-to in what you do. For entrepreneurs who are ready to cut through bullshit in what it really takes to be successful and put in the work to get what you really want. I'm Alex, your host, a beauty entrepreneur with a background in economics and hospitality, with a passion for success, mindset, manifestation, and making money. Are you with me? Good. Now let's pay your tab. The first step to changing your mindset is changing your outlook, changing the way you look at things. I share a part of my story on Instagram last week about hitting a breaking point, knowing I needed to change the way I was operating and that it was no longer working, even to the point of having panic attacks. And that's when I finally opened myself up to learning about mindset, manifestation, and the universe. Even though I had been exposed to some of these ideas and concepts before, I was so not ready to accept them in my life. But this time I was. And honestly, I think you do have to be ready, like yourself, not have it forced on you. But when you are ready for that change, damn, is it ever so good. So I immersed myself in anything and literally everything I could find: podcasts, books, ebooks, Pinterest, online courses. I always had something playing, or I was always reading something. I was obsessed. And guess what? It started to actually work. I started to feel better. Some of the stress, the anxiety, the pressure started to actually lift. And the more I dove into it and made it part of my life, the better and better I felt. So I was thinking back to what was the first step I took that really made a change to share with you. And if you're ready for this, this is a game changer and it's so important. So what is it? Change the way you look at things, think about things. And it comes back to that Wayne Dyer quote: when you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. But the way I see it, my favorite way to say it is, instead of saying I have to do something, say I get to, coming from a point of positive outlook and a standpoint of gratitude. And really only good things come from gratitude. So of course you can do it with the things that you actually want to do. I get to hang out with my family. I get to go for a walk with my dog. I get to eat my favorite dinner tonight. But where the real change comes from is when you implement it on the things that maybe you don't really want to do. Instead of I have to go to work, I get to go to work. I get to go and make money. I get to support myself and my family. Instead of I have to go to the gym, I get to make my body stronger. I get to release endorphins and feel good. You can even go deeper by adding some gratitude to I get to work, and I'm so grateful that I get to make money today. I am so grateful that I have a job to support me and my wants. I'm so grateful I have a job that I actually like and people that I work with that I like. Insert whatever you want. Change the thing you don't want to do to a positive, and then add gratitude on top of it. Do this every day with literally everything you do and watch your life change. Watch you start to enjoy everything so much more. Watch yourself become so grateful for what you already have, and then watch so much more good flood into your life because you're being grateful for it. So do you want to start creating these success habits in your life and business? Check out the newest resource I created to help you do this with ease. Girl, win your morning and become her. Both links are in the show notes. While you're at it, please hit like and subscribe. I put out new videos every week. I'll see you then.